Unlock endless possibilities with London School of Planning and Management. With our flexible study options, you can pursue your dreams while balancing work, family, and other commitments. At LSPM, we understand that life doesn't stop while you're studying. That's why our flexible study options allow you to tailor your learning experience to fit your schedule. Whether you prefer to study online, in person, or a combination of both, we've got you covered. From part-time courses to evening classes, we offer the flexibility you need to achieve your goals on your terms. Join us and unlock a world of possibilities with LSPM's flexible study options. Because when it comes to your education, the sky's the limit. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.